Bridging crypto in Coinbase Wallet involves transferring assets across different blockchains. While Coinbase Wallet itself doesn't have a built-in bridging feature, you can use third-party bridge services integrated within the wallet. Here's how to do it. Open Coinbase Wallet. Launch the Coinbase Wallet app and ensure you are logged in. Access the app browser. Tap on the Browser tab, which allows you to access decentralized applications and services. Select the bridge service. Search for a bridging service such as multi-chain, Seller C-Bridge, or Portal Bridge within the app browser. These services allow you to transfer assets between blockchains. Connect Coinbase Wallet. Once you've selected a bridge, click Connect Wallet. Choose Coinbase Wallet and authorize the connection. Choose source and destination blockchains. Select the source blockchain and the destination blockchain. Choose the token you want to bridge. Enter bridging details. Specify the amount of crypto you wish to bridge and review the transaction details, including fees. Confirm the transaction. Approve the transaction in Coinbase Wallet, including the network fee, and wait for the bridging process to complete.